welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video I have got some slime. And if you want to see some more videos, make sure to comment down below and I'll do any video. Next video I'm going to be doing is a house tour and in a minute. So this is just one quick video. I actually don't know because it's already been 23 minutes. 40 seconds already.
Say hi.
And so, yeah, so this is the slime I got, and it is from Asda, like a massive Asda. And so I have decorated it, as you can see. So there's the colour. So that's the colour of slime. It's like purplish pink, hot pink, or purple. I don't know. It's a bit dirty as well because it's up on the floor. I did not make it, and today we are going to be seeing if it is proper slime. But it says goopy slime, so you can have slime, any type of slime, butter slime, a fluffy slime, a silly slime, bubble wrap slime, goof slime. You know, any slime in the whole wide world. And you can just add normal slime or stretch slime. But I'm not going to name more because there's loads, and it says on here it's sticky and it's yucky, as you can see. Look,
You've got a bed here
sticky
now.
and it's
yucky.
What happened?
Oh.
So I'm just going to open it and see if it's proper slime. I'm going to drop it on the floor. It's on. Ew! Alright, as you can see, you can't really see it, so obviously you can't really see the face in it. And we are going to be seeing if it's super stretchy and seeing if it can actually blow a bubble.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video.
It's not really stretchy, but I'm guessing it will do. Look. It's a waste of money. It was over £2. You see me?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
I was just about to blow up,
I am going to be doing
no.
a house tour. Well, this isn't my proper house. It's my boyfriend's house. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a room tour of this. I mean a house tour of this one. So
I was going to say it's super
my
stretchy,
house.
but it's not
On
super
my
stretchy.
house, at
As you
my
can
house.
see, it just ripped.
And yeah, so
And
let's get started.
And
So
every
first,
time, oh, I forgot to wipe the table before I did
first,
it. Oh, here's the puppy, baby girl. Yeah. So I'm in my YouTube video. She is exactly like her mum, but on a bum like this spot here. This is just on the left hand side, and the other one is on the right hand side. So say Kenya. Oh, yeah. Okay, as you can, right, I'll show you a proper beautiful face. Oh God, I'll be a minute. So this puppy is only 11 weeks old. It really wants to grow. Let's show.
yeah, and it's my baby.
No, it's not. It's actually lives in this house. Oh, so cute. Okay, it's a staff. It's only 11 weeks old.
In bed, Mum, in bed, little puppy.
As I was saying, this slime is not really stretchy because it just drops. I'm guessing it's more like goo. But yeah. Let me able to see that bit like to me. So now, as you may know, when you like leave it for a bit, it goes all spreads out. I'm gonna leave it to do that. It's not even at all now, but some else to be able to do it. So if I can just stretch it. I'm gonna see how far I can stretch it.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel for today's video.
She's always doing that.
TV.
So this is slime, and I'm gonna try and see how far I can stretch.
This isn't my house, but I want to do it. So
Can you see me? Because I can see you guys.
My house. So yeah, let's get
Yo.
into the video. But first, I'm starting.
We're gonna see how far it is.
Actually, first off, I'll show you how cute this is. Baby.
It's already recognized
so
you
cute.
at home.
You're so
Oh,
pretty.
it's gonna rip.
Nothing against you. There we go.
I was trying to make it bubble.
This is the
Okay. Now, as you can see, we've got this pot, and I'm going to be putting this slime into this pot. It's like super. It smells horrible, so I added a bit of air wicking before. And if it ever gets really sticky, then you just add air wick. No, not air wick, any air freshener. Like, so if you, no, not air freshener, air spray. Air freshener? Air spray? So, you do that and just wet it once until you see if it's less stickier. If it's still sticky, add some more until it's not sticky. And it'll work. So I'm going to leave it to settle for a bit and I'll be back when it's all done. So it's all settled out now. I've left it for like 15 minutes to all settle. Well, 10. I keep on falling because I'm literally standing up on my feet. And yeah, so I've left it for over 5 minutes, so it's like 10 minutes I've left it for. And I'm going to be seeing if it can make a big bubble. I've not made, I've hardly made any big bubble yet with any of these slimes. And if you want, if before all happens, the big surprise, if you guys want the surprise. And what was I going to say? Okay. Comment down below and say yes if you want me to do a putty one of these, and from the same place where I got this slime from, Asda. And this was only £2, so it's not really a waste of money, I guess. Like £2.50 isn't really a waste of money on slime. It is, but it's alright, I mean. And so, comment down below, yes, if you want me to do a putty, so the putty, the farty things. And comment down below, yes, if you want me to do it, and comment down below what colour you want it to be. These are the colours you can choose out of. Purple or blue. Purple or blue. If I get purple, it will be the exact same as this, I think. No, it won't. It'll just be dark purple and blue. I don't think putty stretches that much. I think the like main thing about it is that it trumps, because when you do that, it just farts. So let's see if it can make a big bubble after all. Okay, I'm really scared. I'm not over shit bubbles. Yeah, I bet it will just rip straight away. Oh. What? It made a bubble like this, like yeah. Like this, like a little one here. Okay. Let's go. And when you squish it, literally, like, all of the, oh gosh, you do that way in the camera. Literally, all of the, like, bits of the slime, like, if you do this, as you can hear, that it goes all mushy and just horrible. And why did I do that? I think I did it for you guys, so you could see. But I didn't really want to do that because it goes all mushy, as you can see. And it is really fun to play with. I mean, it's not a waste of money. So yeah, oh, my camera's upside down. Sorry about that. for yours. Okay. Might do a putty one of these. I don't. So I have actually in my whole entire life. You're probably thinking, what? You should have. You are the most unluckiest person on the planet. I have never made slime before. Like, actually never. And so because I've not made slime, I am going to tell my mum. My mum, I think she's going to order it Monday when she's got money. She's going to be getting me some borax, glue, shaving foam, and contact solution, I guess, and some glitter. Everything to make slimes. I'm going to make the giantest slime ever. Like this big. Not the giantest slime. Giantest slime is like up to that like bigger wall down there. You cannot see like that one. And up to the telly. No, up to my window down there. That is the giantest slime in the world. This is actually not the giantest slime in the world because look at that, like it just ripped. So yes. I forgot to say at the beginning, make sure to subscribe if you are on and just turn on channel notification. I can't even say it. Right, make sure to subscribe, turn on the channel notification button if you want to see some more videos. Make sure to comment below what you want me to do. So yeah, watch out for the next video. I'm doing a, what do you call it? House door. So peace.